The Nikon Z7II stands as a testament to Nikon's dedication to pushing the boundaries of high-resolution, full-frame mirrorless photography. Building upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, the Z7, the Z7II introduces a suite of thoughtful improvements designed to meet the evolving needs of both passionate enthusiasts and demanding professionals as we look ahead to 2025. At the heart of the Z7II is a 45.7-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor. This sensor, free from a low-pass filter, ensures that every shot is packed with extraordinary detail. Whether you're capturing the subtle textures of a mountain landscape at sunrise or the intricate features of a studio portrait, the Z7II delivers striking clarity and true-to-life color. Its native ISO range, stretching from 64 to 25,600 and expandable to a remarkable 102,400, means you can confidently shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. At its base ISO of 64, the camera produces images with exceptional color depth and minimal noise, making it a favorite among landscape photographers who demand the highest image quality and dynamic range. Driving the performance of the Z7II are dual X-Speed 6 processors. This dual-engine approach brings faster image processing, improved autofocus responsiveness, and overall smoother operation. The camera's autofocus system, featuring 493 hybrid phase detect and contrast detect points, covers nearly the entire frame. This means you can lock onto your subject with precision, even when composing off-center shots. Notably, the Z7II brings enhanced eye detection autofocus for both humans and animals, a feature that has become essential for modern portrait and wildlife photography. The camera tracks subjects reliably, maintaining focus as they move across the frame, or even when they briefly look away, ensuring you don't miss those fleeting, expressive moments. When it comes to speed, the Z7II is no slouch. It can shoot up to 10 frames per second, or 9 frames per second when capturing at the highest 14-bit RAW quality. The buffer now accommodates approximately 77 12-bit RAW images, letting you sustain longer bursts without waiting for the camera to catch up. This makes the Z7II a solid choice for capturing action sequences, whether it's dancers mid-leap or a fleeting expression during a candid moment. However, while the autofocus has improved over the original Z7, it still trails behind the likes of the Canon EOS R5 and Sony A7R4 when it comes to tracking erratic, fast-moving subjects, especially in challenging lighting. One of the most notable upgrades in the Z7II is the addition of dual card slots. This addresses one of the biggest criticisms of the original Z7, which only featured a single card slot. Now, with one CF Express XQD slot and one UHS-2 SD slot, photographers have the flexibility to back up their images in real time, separate stills from video, or simply extend their shooting capacity. For professionals who cannot afford to lose a shot, this redundancy is a significant advantage. The build quality of the Z7II reflects Nikon's heritage of crafting robust, reliable cameras. The magnesium alloy body is not only lightweight but also weather-sealed, ensuring durability in the face of challenging shooting environments. The grip is deep and comfortable, and the control layout remains intuitive, especially for those familiar with Nikon's DSLR systems. The electronic viewfinder, with its 3.69 million dot resolution, offers a sharp and immersive viewing experience, though some competitors now offer even higher resolutions. The tilting touchscreen LCD is responsive and useful for shooting from high or low angles, though vloggers may miss a fully articulating display. Video capabilities receive a meaningful boost with the introduction of 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, albeit with a slight 1.08x crop. This makes the Z7II a versatile tool for hybrid shooters who need high-quality stills and video. The camera supports 10-bit N-Log and HLG output via HDMI, making it compatible with external recorders like the Atomos Ninja Vive for those seeking advanced post-production flexibility. Still, it falls short of dedicated video cameras or even some rivals, as it lacks 8K recording and suffers from rolling shutter artifacts during fast pans. Battery life is rated at 420 shots per charge using the LCD and 360 using the EVF, according to CIPA standards. While this is an improvement over the previous generation, it remains below the class-leading Sony A7R4, which can deliver up to 670 shots per charge. In practical use, most photographers will find the Z7II sufficient for a day's shooting, though carrying a spare battery is advisable for extended sessions or heavy video work. One area where Nikon continues to shine is image quality. The Z7II's sensor delivers a best-in-class dynamic range of 14.7 stops, as measured by independent testers, and a color depth of over 26 bits at base ISO. This allows photographers to recover highlights and shadows with ease and capture nuanced tones that bring scenes to life. High ISO performance is also commendable, with the camera producing clean files up to ISO 6400 and even higher values becoming usable when paired with modern noise reduction software. Of course, no camera is without its compromises. While the autofocus system has evolved, it still doesn't quite match the low-light tenacity or tracking prowess of Sony's or Canon's latest systems, particularly for unpredictable subjects like birds in flight. The rolling shutter effect can be an issue for those needing fast, electronic shutter performance, and the lens ecosystem, while growing, is not as expansive as those offered by Sony or Canon. Adapting legacy f-mount lenses via Nikon's FTZ adapter works well, but adds some size and complexity to your setup. When compared to its alternatives, the Z7II carves out a strong position. Against the original Z7, the improvements in card flexibility, autofocus, and video make it an easy recommendation for those looking to upgrade, especially as firmware updates continue to enhance its capabilities. The newer Nikon Z8 offers even faster performance and more advanced autofocus, but at a higher price point, making the Z7II a better value for those prioritizing image quality over speed. Canon's EOS R5 and Sony's A7R4 both offer compelling alternatives, with the R5 excelling in video and autofocus, and the A7R4 leading in sheer resolution. But both come at a higher cost and with their own trade-offs. For whom does the Z7II make the most sense? Its strengths lie in delivering class-leading stills for landscape, portrait, studio, and fine art photographers who demand high resolution, excellent dynamic range, and accurate color. It also appeals to astrophotographers who benefit from its low noise and clean files at higher ISOs. While it can handle moderate action and video work, those whose primary focus is sports, wildlife, or cinematic video production may find better suited options elsewhere. In summary, the Nikon Z7II is a finely balanced, high-resolution camera that delivers superb image quality, improved handling, and professional features at a competitive price. It builds on Nikon's mirrorless legacy with meaningful enhancements, making it a compelling choice for discerning photographers looking to make the most of their creative vision in 2025 and beyond. For those ready to transition from DSLRs or start fresh in the Nikon Z-mount system, the Z7II offers a reliable, future-proof platform that will inspire excellence with every shot.